Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center with another video. We have Teresa. Teresa, in 2016, almost made the Olympics because of her injuries. She couldn't go from Taekwondo, so she competes pretty strongly here. So we're gonna check everything we already did. We kind of did an exam already. So I'm just gonna do the adjustments and then go from there. So let's go face down for me, Teresa. And she's all afraid she might not look good today. I think she looks fine. Ready, Missy? Good. Raise this leg for me again. Yeah, you see that? She's all flexible. This one? Nice. She almost kicked me. So you've never been adjusted before, right?
Once.
Once before, that's right. Deep breath for me. All the way. Perfect. Nice. Oh. By the way, those noises are not fake. Everyone in the video is like, are those fake? This side up for me, Teresa. Facing the wall this way. This way for me. So how many videos did you watch before you came in?
Just one.
Oh yeah? Usually it's like 10 or 15 before people start coming in. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Deep breath for me. All the way. Good. Oh. Nice. Face this way for me. Good smile there. And you had a herniated disc, what, in 6 years ago or so? No, 3 years ago.
3 years ago.
Deep breath. All right. Relax for me. Perfect. Wowzers. Go face up. You're doing awesome. Relax for me. Hold it. And you get migraines, right?
Yeah.
One more. Oh. And as Teresa's ears start turning red, that's a good thing. All the blood's rushing up there. All right, let's go face down. Good. Everything is level. Beautiful. So yeah, so if you're watching out there and you haven't come in yet, make sure you get in here. All right, take care.